Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week's episode is part one of a two-part exploration into creative variations of the triple parallel fold. Today I'm focusing on the 10-page parallel, and next week we'll look at the 12-page parallel. Triple parallel folds can be creative, production-friendly, and can support a lot of content. So let's take a closer look. This first example is an oversized brochure that was designed to promote an art exhibit. You can see that at first it opens like a trifold, but then there are 2 additional nested panels that pull out to give you 5 large panels and 10 pages to work with. This brochure holds a tremendous amount of content in a very clean and organized way. Here's parallel fold number 1, parallel fold number 2, and parallel fold number 3. Now let's look at this format in a different way. This is a college recruitment brochure, and it's also a triple parallel, but it's completely different. As we open it up, there's a 2-page spread. Open again, and you'll see a single fold-in panel on the right that opens to the 5-page final spread. Again, tons of information carried in this format. Here's parallel fold number 1, parallel fold number 2, and parallel fold number 3. Okay, I want to bring both formats back to show you that they're different, but they're the same. I'll take the first sample I showed you, flip it, and fold the cover in. It's now the same folding configuration as the college brochure. And if I flip the college brochure around and pull the interior fold-in panel out and make it the cover, I now have the same configuration as the art brochure. So you can see that these 2 brochures feel and look different when you open them, but they're really very similar. The difference is in the orientation of the art and in that 5th panel, whether it's folded to the inside or the outside instead. These 2 decisions greatly affect the opening experience, but neither experience is better than the other. They're just different. End of the day, it's still 3 parallel folds, totally machine foldable, and offers a generous 10 pages for graphics and text. So there's your 10-page triple parallel fold. Next week, the 12-page triple parallel fold. You'll be amazed at what the addition of 1 extra panel can do. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.